Hello, in this video I want to talk about the disruptive technology, and the topic that I choose is related to cloud services. In the first slide, I want to talk about the cloud services. What is cloud services actually? Cloud services are like online tools and resources like applications and computer stuffs that you can use through the internet. They help businesses without needing lots of equipment and without spending tons on their own machines and softwares, and companies let others manage their computer stuff and focus on using services like applications and teamwork tools instead of actually worrying about the technical details. In addition, cloud services are good because they are flexible and affordable, and they can adjust to the needs of customers, so customers can save more money and handle busy times well. And cloud services do different jobs, like, for example, sending emails and handling big data. For example, there are cloud services just for sending emails easily that's called SaaS, and others that help with big data tasks that's called IaaS. And cloud services also help make software, keep backup saves, and host websites. For example, they're like tools for building programs easily. That's called PaaS, securing backups in case something goes wrong, and that's called IaaS, and putting websites on the internet, that's called IaaS. Finally, there are different type of cloud services, but three main types are SaaS, IaaS, and PaaS. And each of them handling different tasks. For example, SaaS is used for applications. IaaS is used for infrastructure like data storage, and PaaS used for developing software. In the next slide, I want to talk about the two current companies that are using cloud services, two well-known companies actually. One of them is Amazon Web Services, or AWS, and the second company is Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the world's leading cloud provider with over 200 unique services around the world, and they are known for its safety features because it provides a reliable platform for various computing needs. And AWS actually consistently introduces new and innovative services to their users and customers. The second company that I want to talk about is Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. GCP is a major player. They rank as a three global, and they excels in machine learning and data analytics. They offer enterprise-ready cloud services, facilitate the development, deployment, and testing of the applications, and they are very flexible and affordable. We can try Google Cloud platforms before buying. GCP is flexible and scalable. We can try it for free, and payment plans are very flexible too, that are, I think, it's very valuable for customers. In the next slide, I want to talk about the problems and opportunities that the technology of cloud services address to them. The first opportunity is related to cost transformation. In fact, traditional models required heavy investments in hardware and software, and buying this stuff is so expensive. But cloud services allow businesses to pay for what they use, so they can save more money. In addition, building and maintaining corporate data centers can be expensive and have security risks, but cloud services are cheaper, so it reduces the cost and enhance the security. In addition, companies face increasing competitions, data theft, and customer services issues, while cloud services solve these challenges and improving customer service through the machine learning. Actually, all computer centers are costly to keep, but cloud services reduce the cost, and it does not need, for example, for constant updates. In the past, making software takes too long time and costly, but cloud services makes software development faster and better through streamlined software development. Also, in the past, releasing new things takes too much time. While cloud services help release things to market more quickly at a lower cost. And moving to the cloud services has have a new risks, but cloud strategies make things safer and actually more accessible. In the next slide, I want to talk about companies that lost out on cloud services and companies failed to see it earlier. For a company that lost out cloud services, I want to introduce IBM. Actually, IBM entered cloud market late, so they missed key opportunities, while other competitors like Amazon Web Services or AWS and Microsoft had solidified their positions as the leaders in cloud services. And their mismanagement and delayed innovation hindered competitiveness. Actually, in the fast-paced technology landscape, delays in introducing innovative cloud solutions can result in loss of market share. Also, IBM's cloud offerings lacks key features, so it is causing it to lose clients to more competitive providers and making them less attractive to potential clients. In an industry where meeting and exceeding industry standards is crucial, actually, a deficiency in key features can lead to client dissatisfaction and migration to more future rich alternatives. For companies that fail to see cloud services earlier, I provide the three companies. The first company is BlackBerry. I choose BlackBerry because they didn't make their phones work well with the cloud services, so people switch to other brands. The second company is Oracle because they mostly care about big companies and forget to make a cloud stuff for smaller ones, so it causes to miss out that opportunity. And the third company that I want to choose is Yahoo, because Yahoo didn't keep up with making good cloud storage and applications, so people choose another brands such as Google and Microsoft instead. In the next slide, I want to talk about the role of leadership team relative to embracing new technology of actually cloud services. Leaders actually need to keep up with new cloud technologies and embrace a culture of experimenting with different technologies. Also, leaders should use technology to meet evolving customer expectations and engage in partnerships to explore diverse technologies and insights. In addition, leaders should address technological risks, team concerns, and ensure about a smooth transition. Leaders should use real-time information and analysis for fast decision making. And finally, they should consider ethical implications in adopting and using actually new technologies. In the next slide, I want to talk about the future of cloud services. Cloud is like Uber for computing. People only pay for it when they use it, and it's great for small businesses. Also, people can choose how they want to use computing power, either place, a mix, or all from the cloud. And cloud is getting better at crunching huge amounts of data. It's perfect for things, for example, like complicated tasks, and actually now not just big companies, even the small ones can afford and use cloud services. Cloud is so big that even unique and specialized businesses can grow using cloud services. In addition, cloud services helps when things are uncertain, giving a safe place for data, especially when the world is a bit of chaotic. Finally, big companies have a lot of power, but now people want to make sure that everyone has a fair chance to use cloud services. In a last slide, I provide some recommendations for companies. First of all, companies, instead of only using on-site systems, they should combine them with different cloud platforms for better options. They shouldn't move data. They have to find better ways to shift to the cloud for efficiency, and they should keep things organized and safe in the cloud by controlling how different services connect and ensuring security. And for conclusion, I should say that cloud services provide a effective solution for businesses, eliminating the need for heavy investments in hardware and software. So, this affordability makes advanced computing resources accessible to both small and large enterprises. These services tackle actually common challenges faced by businesses, including cost transformation, global data center issues, and streamlining product development. By utilizing cloud resources, companies can overcome these problems efficiently, and they break down barriers for small businesses. So the accessibility and scalability offered by the cloud empowers startups to compete on a level playing field with large corporations. The second conclusion is related to the role of leaders. Leaders play a crucial role in embracing and understanding new cloud technologies. Their focus should be on experimentations, understanding customer needs, managing risks, and making quick, data-driven decisions. Also, leaders must have a deep understanding of evolving customer expectations. By improving cloud technologies, businesses can better meet customer needs, providing enhanced services and experiences. And successful leaders align technology adoption with customer strategies. They ensure that the implementation of cloud services directly contributes to improving customer satisfaction and addressing their changing preferences. And finally, my last conclusion is related to the future of cloud services. The future of cloud services emphasizes on demand accessibility, allowing users to pay for actually computing resources only when they use them, so they can save more money. And this flexibility is particularly beneficial for small businesses, as it ensures cost efficiency. And small enterprises can scale their computing power based on their immediate needs, avoiding the need for heavy upfront investments in infrastructure. Also, cloud services are expected to become even more globally available, allowing businesses worldwide to harness computing resources. This global accessibility facilitates collaboration, innovation, and market expansion without being constrained by geographical limitation. Thank you for watching my presentation. In the last slide, I provide my references for you. Thank you.